Binomial Theorem, exercise 7.2, problem 2. Evaluate root 3 plus root 2 whole power 6 minus root 3 minus root 2 whole power 6. Okay. So, first, expand the value of a plus b whole power 6. A plus b whole power 6 is 6c0 a power 6 plus 6c1 a power 5b plus 6c2 a power 4 b square, 6c3 a cube b cube, 6c4 a b power 4, 6c5, this is a square b power 5, b power 4, a b power 5, 6c6 b power 6. Yes. So listen. 6 in a value we know. 6 in a value 1 power 1 times a power 6 is a power 6. 6c1 value 6. A power 5 b. 6c2 value 15. 6c2 value 15. A power 4 b square. If you don't know the value of 6c2, find NCR formula. Apply NCR formula. What is NCR formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. So 6c3 value 20. A cube b cube plus 6c4. 6c4 value 15. A square b power 4. 6c5 value 6. A b power 5. 6c6 value 1. 1 times b power 6 is b power 6. Okay. Next. See a plus 2 whole power 6. Next a minus 2 whole power 6. So a minus 2 whole power 6. Same concept. 6c0 a power 6 minus 6c1 a power 5b plus 6c2 a power 4b square, again minus 6c3 a cube b cube plus 6c4 a square b power 4 minus 6c5 b a times of b power 5 plus 6c6 b power 6. Same 6c0 value 1 into a power 6 is a power 6. 6c1 value 6. A power 5b plus 6c2 value 15. A power 4b square minus 6c3 value 20. A cube b cube plus 6c4 value 15. A square b power 4 minus 6c5 value 6. A b power 5 6c6 value 1 into b power 6 is b power 6. Now do one thing. A plus b, subtract second term from first term. A plus b whole power 6 minus a minus b whole power 6. So a plus b whole power 6 is a power 6 plus 6, this one a plus b whole power 6. 6 a power 5b, 15 a power 4 b square plus 20 a cube b cube plus 15 a square b power 4 plus 6 a b power 5 plus b power 6 minus a minus b whole power 6. A minus b whole power 6 is a power 6 minus 6 a power 5b plus 15 a power 4 b square minus 20 a cube b cube plus 15 a square b power 4 minus 6 a b power 5 plus b power 6. Okay, now write same step. A power 6, 6 a power 5b plus 15 a power 4 b square plus 20 a cube b cube plus 15 a square b power 4 plus 6 a b power 5 plus b power 6 multiply with minus a power 6, minus of minus plus 6 a power 5b, minus into plus is minus 15 a power 4 b square, minus of minus is plus 20 a cube b cube, minus into plus is minus 15 a square b power 4, minus of minus plus 6 a b power 5, minus into plus is minus b power 6. Now see, here a power 6 get cancelled. A power 6 get cancelled. 15 a power 4 b square, 15 a power 4 b square cancelled. Next 15 a square b power 4, 15 a square b power 4 cancel. B power 6, b power 6 cancel. Still, now 6 a power 5 is 6 a power 5 is. So these two. So 12 a power 5 b. Next 20 a cube b cube plus 20 a cube b cube. 20 a cube b cube, 20 a cube b cube. Total 40. Next 6 a power 5, 6 a b power 5, 6 a b power 5. So 12 a b power 5. Observe that in this 2 is the common, ab is the common, 2ab is the common. So 6a power 4 plus 20 a square b square plus 6 ab is the common, b power 4. Okay. So no need to write this step for our convenience only. If it is not right, no problem. So what about this one? A plus b whole power 5, a plus b whole power 6 minus a minus b whole power 6. Okay. Put a equals to root 2, b equals to a equal to root 3, b equals to root 2 in the above expression. So what happened now? So root 3 plus root 2 whole power 6. Root 3 plus root 2 whole power 6 minus root 3 minus root 2 whole power 6 equals to, see, 2 times a into b. So 2 times a value root 3, b value root 2 into 6 a power 4. So 6 into root 3 power 4 plus 20 a square root 3 square, okay, b square root 2 square plus 6 b power 4, b is root 2 power 4. So 2 times root 3 times root 2 is root 6 into 6 into root 3 power 4, root 3 4 times, 2 root 3 means 3, root 3 4 times, see once, root 3 power 4. So root 3 times root 3 times root 3 times root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 3 is a 9. 3 3 is a 9. Plus 20. Root 3 square value already I wrote here. Root 3 square value 3. Root 2 square value 2. Plus 6 into root 2 power 4. Same. Root 2 power 4. See. Root 2 power 4. So root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2. So these 2 root 2 2, these 2 root 2 2. 2 2 is a 4. Okay. So that equals to 2 root 6. 6 9 is 54. 54 plus 23 is a 60. 62 is a 120. 120 plus 6 4 is a 24. 6 4 is a 24. 9 6 is a 54. 23 is a 60. 62 is a 120. 120 plus 6 4 is a 24. Next. Still 2 more steps are there. Now see. What about this 2 root 6? 2 root 6. Okay. 54 plus 24. 54 plus 24 is 78. 54 plus 24. 54 plus 24. Next plus 120. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 7, 9, 198. 198. Now see. 2 times 198. 2 times 198. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 1 19. 2 1s are 2. Into root 6.